Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add subpages to your pages on Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two ways in which you can add subpages, at least if you ask me. By the definition of a subpage is basically a page which is accessible only through another page, or which is under another page in sort of a page hierarchy. And there are two ways of doing this. Firstly, if I go into pages, all of these pages are hidden and I'll keep them that way. I only have this landing page, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to add a non-clickable menu. So for example, as you can see, you have a non-clickable page. So for example, let's say main page, click done. And now we have our main page. Now what you can do with that is you can set it up as either a main page or a sub page. You can pretty much make any other page a sub page by just dragging it to the right, like right here. And since this is under the main page, a home should be accessible through main page as well. Let me just make it not hidden. And now if we go to the menu, as you can see, if I go into main page, you have main page and you have home. And as you can see, main page is not clickable, so I'm gonna just hide it in navigation, and hopefully that doesn't screw it up. Okay, so I cannot hide it. Kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But yeah, you can do it like that if you so chose. You can make sort of nested like this. For example, if I go into landing page, you'll see that I can select landing page, main page, or home. So you can create subpages like this, and you can create one like this. And now landing page is the, or main page is the subpage to the landing page, and home is the subpage to the main page, and pretty much goes in circles. So you can select it like this, and as you can see, it looks basically just like that. Another version which you can do is, for example, I'll just unlink every one of these, delete this. So for example, I'll add a new page, just an empty page. So for example, another main page, and we can have it like that. And now we have our main page, which I'm going to set up like this, but it is empty. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another one, name it subpage. I'll hide it in navigation, put it like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a link under main page by going to build, creating a title, for example, just titling it subpage, select the text, click here on the link and to a standard page, and I'm going to select subpage. And now that it's linked, if I click on this, it's letting me go to subpage. So if I click here, as you'll see, now I'm in subpage, which is completely empty, and it is completely hidden on the navigation. And that is basically all you need to do to create your subpages on Weebly. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.